it's too late now. I know I heard you trying to keep this alive, but you can't do it anymore. You gotta let it go. So I think it's time to let this die. Put down your armor, there's no need to fight. You're making it harder, the harder you try. And you can't control this, so put it to rest. Stop playing it over like a song in your head. Yeah, and it's too late now. I know I heard you trying to keep this alive, but you can't do it anymore. You gotta let it go. So I think it's time to let this die. I can't bear to watch you leave. You know in your heart that he's not the one you need. I'll show you how it's meant to be. So just close your eyes, take my hand and come with me. Yeah. Come with me. Yeah.
Flow sick, show your love when I'm so hot to move on. I don't know why you call, too late, too long. No, it's time to move on. Whole night now a new moon on. So we got with the breeze, four wheels with the roof gone. Hey, and we can take over. Put down your hand and hold mine. This ain't a game poker. Your man dragging you down, leashing you with a joker. Let me loosen it, replace it with diamonds like I'm supposed to. I just wanna ride nationwide and get lost with you. Hold hands, raise them and praise God with you. Rick Ross floss, wanna be a boss with you. What you don't know, my love is gon' get you.